G'day, it's Carny from Relax for Life Massage Chairs. Today, I'm at Northcote Aquatic and Recreation Centre, and I'm going to be guiding you through how to use the Brio Sports massage chairs that are set up in the recovery zones. There's 2 in here to choose from. Let's get into it. The most important aspect of using the massage chairs is to be clean. So if you've just worked out and you're sweaty, have a shower, put some clean gear on, put some clean socks on before you get into the chair. Remember, after using the chair, to wipe them down with the antibacterial wipes that are supplied. I know you're hungry and thirsty after a workout, but there is no eating or drinking on the massage chair. Next, take your shoes off, sit your bum all the way back in the massage chair. Don't worry if your feet don't touch. Once the chair reclines, your feet will come into position. And ensure that your head is all the way back so that it can scan you at the start of the massage. I'm going to show you the easiest way to use the Brio Sport massage chair. In the top left-hand corner, press the power button. That's going to power up the remote. Next, you'll select one of the 3 automatic programs from the home screen: warm up, cool down, or sports recovery. Once you've pressed one of those programs, the massage chair is going to recline and the program will start automatically. If you want to get out of the massage chair before the program finishes or at the end of the massage program, simply hold the power button down for 2 seconds until it beeps, and then the chair will recline up automatically and let you out. Don't try and get out of the chair until it is fully inclined. If you're happy to use the massage chair like this, great. If you want to learn more about it, I'm about to go into the details a little bit further. As you can see at the start of the massage, the chair is reclined to a 0 gravity position. If you prefer to sit more upright, the buttons on the bottom left-hand side of the remote control, press and hold the top one for 2 seconds, and you would hear a beep. That will bring you all the way back up. If you want to stop anywhere in between, simply hit that button again, and the chair will stay exactly where it is. Same goes with the footrest. If you prefer the footrest to be up or down a little bit, you can simply press that button, hold it for 2 seconds, and it will bring it to the maximum. Or if you want to stop it anywhere in between, hit that button again. You're going to notice on the remote control a few illuminated buttons. The 3D button down the bottom right, which is in the yellow colour, is the intensity of the massage. So that's how strong you're massaged in the back. So that's the mechanical movement in the back, the strength of it. To adjust it, simply push the button once. It will turn it to red, which will be on its maximum strength. If you prefer it softer, press that button again. It will turn it to green, which will make it the softest. As well as the 3D adjustment on the remote control, if you do want the massage even stronger, you can fold this headrest material back, and then the rollers will be directly on your body. Same goes for the air. The air is the squeezing in the foot, the calves, the ITB, the arms, and the shoulder. So the default is yellow, which is medium. If you want it stronger, press the air button again. It will turn it to red, which will be the maximum. And if you prefer it softer, press it again, and that will turn the light to green and make it soft all over. Up on the top right corner, you're going to see the heat, which is illuminated in red. If you want the heat on, leave that button on. If you prefer it off, press that button once and the red light will go off and the heat will be turned off. If you like the foot rollers on, great, you don't need to touch anything. If you prefer the foot rollers to be off, on the top line, the 3rd one along, there's a little foot roller button. Press that once and that'll turn the foot rolling action off. If you want to go into some more in-depth programs, you're going to see 4 arrows on the remote control. This is your joystick. So if we push the one on the right, it's going to move the programs on the right-hand side. The top one will be a sports massage, will be illuminated. If you wanted to start that program, you would hit the OK button. But if you want to scroll down and see what other programs are available, simply push the down button and it's going to move down, for instance, to recovery, down further, stretch, etc. The other programs available are core recovery, warm up, cool down, visualize, and full body air. If we push the button back to the left, it's going to bring us to the left-hand side menu. And if we push the button down once more, it'll take you to the focus massage. Simply push the right button to go over to the menu where you can have a neck and shoulder, low back, or a glutes and IT band massage. To select the program, simply push the OK button and the massage chair will start. So we recommend only using the automatic programs in this environment. You can go down and use the manual operations, but you're going to be wasting your time, and the automatic programs are designed for sports recovery and muscle relief, and they will do a better job that you can do playing around with the remote control. So we want you to sit back, relax, recover, and enjoy the massage chair, and not be playing with the remote control. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you do enjoy using our massage chairs and you do want one for your home, visit relaxforlife.com.au or visit one of our showrooms, test drive any of our massage chairs, and you too could own one of these in your own living room.